Yes, this is the 1958 Indian Tomahawk made by Enfield. If you're looking at this YouTube, you've probably seen it on eBay. We bought this about 7 years ago from a collector in Augusta, Georgia. The bike originally came from Vino Rodi, the famous HRMA vintage racer. So this originally came from his shop. You may have seen him on Pickers. I'm going to go through the starting process for this bike. Come on around here, Caleb. Turn the petcock to the on position, tickle it until I get a little gas overflow, which I have now. Turn the key on. I'm going to put it up on the high stand because I'm short and I can't kick start it without having it on the high stand. Okay, it usually starts first kick. As you can see, it's a cool engine.